What's up, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, guys, today we're in the Preston Hollow Village, to be exact. It's a gated community. It's only 5 minutes away from North Park Mall, 10 minutes away from downtown Dallas. And, well, I already said we're in Preston Hollow Village. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2022 by Rosewood. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's a 3-car garage. It's 4,125 square feet. It's currently listed at $2,495,000, which is $604 price per square foot. And it's sitting on a 0.12 acre lot, which is roughly 5,200 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for sharing that information about the property. Now, guys, if you remember, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, you're looking to partner with some true luxury experts that have over 10 years experience. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're partnering up with the #1 luxury brokerage in Dallas. That's Sergio and Sheila. Just call this Sergio and Sheila like a third party. Anyways, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links. It's down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thanks, guys, for watching.
See you guys next time.